Hey Money Mavericks, welcome back to the channel, where we turn financial confusion into cha-ching celebrations. If you're new here, welcome to the party. Smash that subscribe button like it owes you money, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to level up your financial game. Today we're tackling something that sounds scarier than a tax audit on Friday the 13th. Creating an account on Waanverse Investment Network. Win. I know, the word investment can make your palms sweat faster than a marathon in July. But trust me, this is going to be easier than convincing your grandma that Bitcoin isn't just magic internet money. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, so it's easy and hassle-free, like ordering pizza online. But instead of cheesy goodness, you're potentially building your future empire. Because as the brilliant and probably very rich Warren Buffett once said, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. We're planting our financial tree today, people. By the end of this video, your Win account will be fully set up and ready to rock, and you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's dive in. All right, future financial wizards, let's get down to business. Before we jump into the digital deep end and head to the sign-up page, we need to gather our magical ingredients. Basically, the stuff you'll need to prove you're a real person and not a robot trying to steal all the virtual gold. So, here's your pre-flight checklist. Your superhero ID. Grab a valid identification document. This could be your national ID, your passport if you're feeling fancy, or your driver's license. Think of it as your VIP pass to the world of WIN. Your trusty sidekick, aka mobile device. You'll need a mobile device for multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is basically a fancy way of saying extra security to keep the bad guys out. If you aren't using your phone right now, you will need it. Think of it as your digital bodyguard. Now for the main event, I'll be showing you this on my trusty desktop, but don't worry if you're a mobile maestro. The steps are exactly the same, whether you're on a mobile browser or using the official Win app. It's like learning to ride a bike. Once you've got it, you've got it. Open Sesame, your browser. Fire up your favorite web browser and type in app.wancapital.com. It's like typing in the address to your favorite pizza place, but instead of pepperoni, you're getting potential profits. Click that magic button. Once you're there, look for the big, beautiful button that says Create Account and give it a click. Now, we're at the registration page. Time to fill in the blanks. Here's what Win needs from you. Your real name, no aliases. Enter your legal first and last name. Make sure it matches your ID exactly. No nicknames, no superhero names, just the name your parents gave you, or the one you legally changed it to. Your unique handle, account tag. This is your username, your digital identity before you link up an email or phone number. Choose wisely, young Padawan, because usernames are unique. If your dream username is already taken, like Money Magnet 123, you'll need to get creative. Your super secret password. Create a password that's stronger than a triple shot espresso. This is your first line of defense against digital villains. Confirm that password. Type it in again, just to make sure you didn't accidentally hit the wrong key while daydreaming about your future yacht. A few nerd notes. Important stuff. Username rules. Usernames can be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, dashes, underscores, and dots. Think of it like a secret code, but one that's easy for you to remember. Password power. Your password should be a fortress, a mix of letters, uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and special characters. The longer and more complex, the better. Once you've filled everything in, double-check it like you're checking for typos in a text to your crush, and then hit that glorious Create Account button. And, drumroll, you're in. Almost. We've got a few more steps, but you're on your way. All right, almost there. You've conquered the initial registration. High five. Now let's get you logged in and superpowered with security. Time to use that shiny new username and password you just created. Log in, and you'll be whisked away to the next level, setting up multi-factor authentication, MFA. Think of it as entering the secret code to your financial Batcave. MFA is like having a superpowered lock on your account. Even if a sneaky villain somehow gets your password, they'll be stopped dead in their tracks without this extra layer of security. It's like having a bouncer at the door of your digital vault. To get this set up, you'll need either the Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Don't worry, they're free and easy to use. Links to download them are right there on the screen. Just click and install. Here's how to activate your MFA Shield. Open your chosen Authenticator app. It's like picking your favorite superhero sidekick. Scan the QR code on your screen. It's like magic. Or if you prefer the old school way, you can manually enter the secret key. Top secret alert. Keep this key super private. Don't share it with anyone, not even your cat. Your app will now generate a 6-digit code. This code is like a self-destructing message. It refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter that code on the website and click Verify. Boom, you're officially protected. From now on, whenever you log in, you'll need your password and the MFA code from your app. It's like a secret handshake for your account. Maximum security. Next up, we need to connect your email address to your account. This is mandatory. Think of it as your official communication channel with Win. We'll send you important updates, security alerts, and it's also a backup way to log in if you ever forget your username. Let's get your email linked. Type in your email address in the designated spot. Check your inbox or the spam folder. We'll send you a verification code like a secret knock. Enter that code on the website and click Verify. And poof, your email is linked. You're officially in the loop. Okay, last but definitely not least, we need to complete your Know Your Customer KYC verification. Now, I know what you might be thinking. KYC sounds serious, and it is important, but it's nothing to worry about. Think of it like this. It's where you prove you're a real person, a financially savvy real person, and not a sophisticated AI trying to take over the financial world, or a cat cleverly disguised as a human. Why all the fuss about KYC? It's all about keeping things safe and sound for you and for everyone on the platform. Here's the deal. It's like a VIP bouncer for your money. KYC is basically a security checkpoint. It helps Win make sure that everyone using the platform is who they say they are. This protects your funds and prevents bad actors from using the platform for illegal activities. Think of it as a bouncer at an exclusive club, making sure only the right people get in. Playing by the rules, the good kind. Just like any reputable financial institution, Win needs to follow regulations. These regulations are in place to prevent things like money laundering and fraud. KYC is a key part of that, and it helps keep the entire financial system more stable and trustworthy. Your identity is Fort Knox level secure. We know you're entrusting us with sensitive information, and we take that very seriously. Your data is protected with top-notch security measures like encryption and strict data privacy policies. Think of it as being stored in a digital Fort Knox, highly secure and only accessible to authorized personnel. We're committed to keeping your information safe and confidential. It protects you from fraud. Someone could use your identity to perform actions that can put you in a bad situation. So while it might seem like an extra step, KYC is actually there to benefit you. It's all about creating a safe, secure, and trustworthy environment for everyone to invest with confidence. It's like putting on your seatbelt, a little bit of effort for a whole lot of protection. KYC verification usually takes a few minutes to an hour, but remember, until it's approved, you won't be able to make any transactions on Win. It's like waiting for your pizza to be delivered. Anticipation is part of the fun. Here's how to conquer KYC. Fill in the blanks. Provide the required personal information. Be honest and accurate. Upload your superhero ID. Remember that national ID, passport, or driver's license we talked about. Time to upload a clear picture of it. Selfie time. Take a live selfie to verify your identity. Make sure it's a good one. This is your financial profile picture. Once your KYC is approved, you're officially a WIN member. You've got full access to the platform and can start your investing journey. Get ready to rumble. And that's a wrap. You've officially created your Waanverse Investment Network account. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've earned it. You've followed all the steps, and now you have a secure and verified account, ready to explore the exciting world of Win. If this video helped you, and I hope it did, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more financial awesomeness, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and happy investing. May your profits be plentiful and your financial future bright.